Okay, we're gonna keep talking about writing how to write inequalities, but now the inequalities given and the situations we need to see which one will match the inequality that is given. So in this type of problems, we need to write an inequality for each one, and then at the end compare with the one that is given. So we need to write four inequalities. Let's start with the first one. For letter A, first, we need to look at the options. The movie ticket, the normal movie ticket versus the movie expert pass. Then we need to try to identify the key elements and see which one will need a variable and which one will be just a number, a constant. So 10.50 per ticket, we need obviously a variable because it's per ticket. And the other option will be $10 the fee or the pass plus 725 per ticket. So the 725 is the one that needs a variable. For the inequality, we look at the question. Expert pass, no more. Expert pass, no more. So expert pass will be less or equal to the regular movie ticket in order to be true. Now, let's look at the option number B. Let's write an inequality for letter B. Had two options, gym A versus gym B. For the first one, it will be 725 plus 1050 per month. Per month, the 1050 per month is the one that will need a variable. And then option B or gym B will be $10 per month. Since it says per month, we're going to need a variable. And for the inequality sign, we look at the question. Gym A is no more, gym A no more or less or equal to gym B. Let's try to get inequality for letter C. Have a container A versus container B. Container A is 10 gallons of water, that's the starting point, and is filling up at a rate of 7.25 gallons per minute. Per minute. This is the keyword that it will tell me that 7.25 will need a variable. And then container B will be empty, so the starting point is 0, and 10.5 gallons per minute. So the inequality sign will be, look at the question, have at least as much of water than container B. So A as much or more than container B. Now let's look at letter D. We got the, if we order the book or we go to the bookstore. Uh, and the first option, it will be $10 and per book and X plus the $10 shipping fee. Or the other option is at the bookstore, it will be 10.50 per book. So it will be 10.5. And for the inequality, look at the question. And if we order online, to be more than the bookstore. So we had these four options. Which one will match my my inequality? So the one that is matching my inequality will be letter A. As we can see, it's just flipped or it's just on the other side, but it's saying the same. It's 10.5x greater or equal than 7.25x plus 10. So even though the order is it's on the opposite side, but as long as it's following the same inequality signs, that will be my answer. Okay, have a good day.